Irkutsk Electroprospecting Company is a certified geophysical company performing a large scope of electromagnetic surveys in Russia and many parts of the world. We offer various services in advanced 2D, 3D electromagnetic surveys for petroleum exploration, comprehensive pre-drilling assessment for geohazards prediction, high-resolution shallow soundings for groundwater prospecting, reconnaissance surveys, with advanced technologies and facilities of high-precision, multi-channel telemetric EM systems, advanced joint EM and seismic interpretation, unique integrated system of EM data quality control. Much of success and good reputation of the company is due to particular concern about basic health, safety, and environment benign principles to ensure comfortable working conditions for the personnel and to minimize impacts on environment. Since 2010, our work has complied with the ISO 9001-2008 and OSAS 18001-2007 International Quality Management Standards. We have performed about 100 successful projects on contracts with many leading oil companies, such as Gazprom, Gazprom-Neft, Rosneft, Irkutsk Oil Company, Surgutneftegaz, Petronas, Rosnedra, and many others. Our technologies ensure stable work and reliable data acquisition in any climatic and noise conditions worldwide, including cold zones of permafrost in West and East Siberia and densely populated urban areas of Southeastern Asia. Our technological infrastructure includes all kinds of instrumentation, powerful generating units, powerful gensets, and precise telemetric systems with electromagnetic sensors made in Russia, as well as advanced communication and positioning tools. Surveys are performed by 6 field crews. The park of survey vehicles counts more than 50 all-terrain vehicles and track-type tractors for operation in harsh high-latitude conditions. Our own well-equipped workshops allow us to do all kinds of maintenance and repair without outsourcing, thus saving time and money. Innovative 2D, 3D, and 4D survey technologies with high resolution in space and time. Transient electromagnetic TAM surveys are advantages for high resolution and accuracy of high resistivity depth profiles, high space-time density of surveys, multi-channel data acquisition, high sampling frequency and advanced processing software, as well as high noise immunity of the instruments we use, allow us to acquire top-quality data from urban and industrial areas with high electromagnetic noise. The use of ungrounded transmitter and receiver loops allows working in complicated natural environments of all kinds, from Arctic tundra to jungles and deserts. The high performance of TAM surveys in oil and gas exploration and pre-drilling assessment all over the world has been proven by years of experience. Our team consists of highly motivated and skilled survey personnel, geoscientists, physicists, and software engineers working according to international standards, some with more than 30 years of experience. We possess most advanced computing facilities and fast servers for data storage. The enormous amounts of field data are handled with distributed computer networks, using proprietary and third-party software tools, with special care for information security. TEM soundings of shallow subsurface, STEM. High-density shallow TEM soundings in East Siberia are applied for high-resolution mapping of aquifers, which is of critical importance for petroleum exploration. Shallow TAM surveys in West Siberia have provided constraints on the location and thickness of permafrost, gas hydrate deposits, and vertical channels of oil migration. The electromagnetic survey results have been confirmed by subsequent drilling. Robust joint interpretation of resistivity and seismic data, ROCAS. The ROCAS method consists in creating a TEM-based predictive reservoir model as reference to check geological models based on CDP seismic data and well logs. The approach stems from the correlation between resistivity and fluid-filled porosity and is applicable to predict saturation of reservoir rocks to reduce the uncertainty in the location of oil-water contacts, as well as an estimation of net pay thickness, porosity, and water contents. It was tested successfully in placement of wells in oil fields and provided rigorous constraints on net pay thickness, which was proved valid by later drilling. Pre-drilling assessment. The well design begins with estimating the required number, depth, and diameters of casing strings. The number of strings is estimated proceeding from local geology and from the available experience in well placement. Our data provide resistivity information before drilling that helps reducing drilling risks from structural heterogeneity, including faults and related circulation loss or overpressure. The survey results reveal intervals of unfavorable drilling conditions. Resistivity data are used to obtain composite fluid pressure plots, with selected intervals to be drilled using mud of the same density. Reconnaissance 2D TEM surveys. IERP collects data within license areas and on 2D regional profiles in order to detect regional scale resistivity patterns and map pay intervals at all structural levels to choose the best prospects and to issue well placement recommendations. In 2017, the Irkutsk Electroprospecting Company is celebrating its decade, an important milestone in its history. We are looking ahead and keep going forward, following our overriding priorities of being the best in providing most safe and environment-benign services, beating competition from other electromagnetic survey companies, taking world leadership in the resistivity survey market in the amount and quality of services, working to bring our methods and technologies to worldwide use in petroleum exploration, geo-environment, and time-lapse monitoring applications.